Turbulent Academy series of gate solve papers video tutorials. So now we'll see gate 2003. Gate 2003 actually. Truss consists of horizontal members AC, CD, DB, EF and vertical members CE, DE having length L each. Okay, we have given it as 1. Actually it is L. Each members AE, DE and BF are inclined at 45 degree to the horizontal. For the uniformly distributed load P per unit length on the member EF on the truss as shown in the figure below, force in the member CD is. So this is the diagram which they have given for. They have asked us for the force in the member CD. Okay, they have asked us for, just write it off, force in the member CD is the question they have asked. So let us start by drawing the free body diagrams, and then we shall proceed ahead with the finding of the reactions. Okay, so that's one main part. Okay, so just for drawing free body diagram I have taken a copy. So this is going to be FBD free body diagrams. Okay, so let me rub this off and draw the reactions actually. So let me draw the reactions. Okay, so this was a roller joint, so it has only one vertical reaction. So this is a hinge joint, so one vertical reaction and one horizontal reaction. Now if you could see, one important thing is that drawing the free body diagram and finding out the reaction. So summation of horizontal forces is equal to 0, therefore Bx is equal to 0. So summation of vertical forces is equal to 0. And yeah, one more important thing I forgot to do it here. What we can do is, if you can see here, we have a UDL load over here, which is load P per unit length. So all these are length L. Okay, all straight lines are length L. So what I'll do is I'll just take off this UDL and replace it by point load. Okay, so replace it by point load at the center, which is PL. Okay, so load is PL. Okay, acting at the center. Okay, now I could just write it as AY plus BY is equal to PL. Okay, this is one thing. Next thing, we'll have to find the moment. Summation of moment at point A is equal to 0. So now just take moments about point A. So taking moments about point A, all these are L, 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 this is L and this is L. Okay, so straight members are L. Okay, so BY is going in anti-clockwise direction, so minus BY into 3L, and PL is going in a clockwise direction. Okay, so minus, oh sorry, this is anti-clockwise, which is positive, so this is clockwise, which is negative. PL is clockwise. PL into L plus L by 2, which is I'll just write it as such, L plus L by 2, okay, equal to 0. Now if you could see, 3 BYL equal to PL into L plus L by 2 is 3L by 2. Okay, now if you could solve even more further, you could get it like 3 and 3 might get cancelled, and 3 and 3 got cancels, L and L got cancels. So BY is equal to PL by 2. Okay, so AY plus BY is already known as PL. Now we could see that, if you could see here, AY plus BY is equal to PL. So therefore BY is PL by 2. So AY is going to be PL by 2, which is what is the reaction. This is the one basic step. All our reactions, which is BY PL by 2 and also the AY PL by 2. We shall go ahead with the various methods of solving this particular problem. So we'll solve first, we'll try to go ahead this time with Lami's theorem. Okay, so this is going to be really simple. Okay, for this particular problem, I guess this would be simple, but it's for you to judge or decide which is best. Okay, so each one would be having a particular concept with them. Okay, now if you could see, I'll just apply Lami's theorem on this point A. So AY, FAC and FCE. Okay, so let me draw it actually. So what we have is AY. Okay, so AY, and this will going to be FAC. I'll just mark it on this, FAC and FAE. So FAE is going to be, okay, so now the angles between them. This is 90. Since all of length L, this is going to be 45. So 90 plus 45, 135, and this is going to be 225 degrees. Okay, just we can directly apply Lami's theorem. Lami's theorem, since this is not collinear, this comes as a collinear. This is not totally non-collinear. Only Ay is coming towards the point. So what we can do is just put Ay as minus Ay divided by sine 45 should be equal to FAC divided by sine 225 is equal to FAE divided by sine 90. Now what we can find it is we can find out FAC, and we shall move on. FAC is actually AY is PL by 2, right? So I'll just write it as minus AY into sine 225 divided by sine 45. Okay, so now if you could see, AY is actually PL by 2, right? So AY is actually PL by 2. PL by 2 will be there. Side 225 is actually minus 1 by root 2, and this is actually 1 by root 2. That will get cancelled, minus and minus. It will finally, you will get it as AY is equal to 1. Okay, which is, sorry, 1 is the sense PL, AY is equal to PL by 2. Okay, so this is first step which we can do it. Next is what we need to find is FCD, right? So we have found FAC. So it's very easy to find FCD now. So AC, CD, CE, right? So it's totally easier now. So this is going to be AC, CD, this is CE. So marking out the angles in between them, this is 90. Once you get experience, just by seeing, you would be able to solve this. Okay, so Lami's theorem, if you could see, C is actually going to be 0, and since these are straight lines AC and CD, AC value is going to be the same as CD value. Okay, so we can even write it, and then we can also prove it out. So FAC by sine 90 is equal to FCE by sine 180 is equal to FCD by sine 90. So what we require is FCD. FAC is already PL by 2. Sine 90 gets cancelled. FCD is equal to FAC. Okay, so just substituting for your reference, PL by 2 is equal to FCD. Sine 90 is 1. Okay, sine 90 is 1. Okay, so FCD is also going to be the same answer as such. So as you can see, the options is going to be PL by 2, which is option A. Okay, so option A. So sometimes I'll not mention the options, I'll just try to keep it up. Okay, fine. Now this is one way to solve. So if you are being experienced, this will not take more than 40 seconds. Okay, so to solve this particular problem, reactions and Lami's theorem and all those stuff. So since I'm teaching you, we are taking some time, and so that you could understand it really easy. So I will go ahead with second method. So second method is actually what? It's a method of joints. Okay, so second method is method of joints. So reactions, until reactions all are same, I'll just copy the reaction, which is AY equal to PL by 2, BY equal to PL by 2. So AY equal to PL by 2, BY is equal to PL by 2. Okay, so let me draw the free body diagram again. I'll just copy paste it so that it doesn't take more time for us, so that it is easy for us to go ahead. Okay, so fine. So I just copied it. Okay, I'll just paste it over here. Okay, so this is method of joints. Here we should solve it by using method of joints. At first we'll apply at point A. So at point A, so at point A, so this is AY, so this is FAC, and this is FAE. Okay, so now this is 45 degree, this is 90 degree, and this is 225 degrees. Okay, so now we'll solve all the summation of directly we can try solving vertical forces, because we'll have to derive it from AY only. So we shall solve first for FAC, and first we'll solve it for FAE, and using that we'll solve it for FAC. Okay, so now if you could see, what we can write is AY is going up, so positive, which is PL by 2. FAE is going upwards, which is FAE sine 45 is equal to 0. Okay, so once that is done, we could take again FAE sine 45 is equal to FAE sine 45 is equal to positive is there, right? So minus PL by 2. Okay, so going ahead, you will get sine 45 is 1 by root 2. So finally you might get about, I'll write it from here now. So I'll just put a line so that you'll never get confused. So from here, so FAE is equal to 1 by root 2. Sine 45 is 1. Okay, it's not a division. Okay, I'll just put a bracket. This is 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2, it will go to the top, right? So it will be minus PL root 2 divided by 2. That will lead us to PL by root 2. Okay, minus PL by root 2, which is FAE. So now once you have got that, summation of f of h is equal to 0. Now solving for f of horizontal forces. So FAE going to the right hand side, so positive, not sine, it's cos 45, and again this is also going to the right hand side, which is positive. FAC is equal to 0. So solving it, you will get it as, so FA is actually minus PL by root 2, cos 45 is 1 by root 2 equal to minus FAC. So now if you could see, minus FAC and this guy gets cancels, root 2 into root 2 is simply 2, so which is equal to FAC equal to PL by 2. Okay, so we have got now FAC using method of joints. Now apply the same method of joints to this particular section, which is AC. This is AC, this is CD, this is CE. So now this is 90 degrees, so this is 90 degree, this is going to be 180 degrees. So now directly what we require is horizontal force, which shall solve summation of horizontal force is equal to 0. Let's assume this is positive, so this direction, let's assume this also in this direction. So let us see that. So PL by 2, which is FAC, then again positive, FCD is equal to 0. So FCD is equal to minus PL by 2. It doesn't matter, which means that it is going in this direction. Okay, so option is given, which is PL by 2, which is option A. So second method we have done. Next we'll use the third method to solve the same problem. So you will get accustomed with all the three methods, and you'll be able to solve any kind of problem. So even if they are asking us to solve it using any other technique which we are not sure of, we can solve it using any of these three or combining these three methods. Okay, so now we shall go ahead. AY equal to BY is equal to PL by 2. Okay, so we have got it as such before itself. Now it's very important for us to draw the free body diagram, so I'll use it as such and I'll draw it here. Now we should look after a place or a juncture where we can cut off three forces. Okay, so now we can't cut we can cut EF, ED and CD. We shall try to make even more simpler than that. Okay, so if we can try to make more simpler than that, let's take we shall try to cut this, and if even we can try to cut this particular part. Okay, so once having been said that, so we can try to find out the forces using the method of sections now. Okay, so that will make us really easy, because this by itself will get us the answer. Okay, no need to go here. Okay, so we shall try to make things easy, so we are doing it in this way. So this is AY, and directly we go with method of sections, and this will be full. and this will be cut, okay, and this will be here. Okay, so how many forces are here? AY is there, FAE is there, which is this, and FC is there, and FCD is there. Okay, just we shall take the horizontal forces and try solving the particular set of problems. Okay, sections, three kinds of equations are available. Summation of vertical forces equal to 0, summation of horizontal forces equal to 0, summation of moment about particular point is equal to 0. So now let us solve vertical forces. So summation of vertical forces equal to 0. So what will we get? We will get actually, so AY, FCE, FAE, okay, and if we solve summation of horizontal forces, it would be FAE and FCD. Okay, so both will be there. First we'll have to find FAE, then by getting that we can solve FCD. Okay, so first we should find FAE. So to solve FAE, what we could do, we can just resolve the vertical forces available. So now we'll resolve vertical forces, which is going up AY is PL by 2 plus FCE, this is F, okay, plus FAE sine 45, which is 1 by root 2, I'll write it later, equal to 0. So this by whole, so will be our first equation. Okay, so this will be our first equation. Now let us take the moment about point A, summation of moment about point A. Okay, so that would be equal to 0. Solving it, only FC is valid. Okay, only FC is valid. So FCE into 1, so it is anti-clockwise. So FCE into 1 is equal to 0. Therefore FCE is equal to 0. Okay, so once FCE is equal to 0, we can substitute this over here and we can solve it for FAE sine 45. So what to say, yeah, FAE is equal to minus PL by 2, this PL by 2 will go that side, and divided by 1 by root 2 on the sine 45, so root 2 will be on the top. So cancelling it out, you will get minus PL by root 2 as FAE. So once that is done, we have got FAE, then we can solve it for if A is, we have got FAE, now we can solve for horizontal forces, right? So horizontal forces, summation of horizontal forces equal to 0. Now if you could see the horizontal force, FAE cos 45 plus FCD is equal to 0. FAE cos 45 degrees plus FCD is equal to 0. So solving it further for FCD, we would get somewhere about, already FA is minus, going that side it would be positive. So PL by root 2 cos 45, okay, so into cos 45, cos 45 is 1 by root 2 again, PL by root 2 into 1 by root 2, which is equal to PL by 2. Okay, so this is our final answer, which is what we have got. Same answer we have got on all three methods. You can use any method, whatever you find it easy, but gaining experience, actually you should be able to find out which method would be suitable for which particular truss or frames problem. So once that is done, you will be able to solve any kind of problems in a matter of few seconds possibly. Okay, if you have any doubts, kindly post it in the comment section, and kindly like, comment and share. Thank you.